Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today let's turn leftover rice into something fun and crunchy, Rice Kurkure. This crispy snack is perfect for evening tea or a quick treat for kids. Take 1 cup of cooked rice. Always use leftover or slightly dry rice for best texture and pour it into a blender. Add 1 inch ginger, 3 tablespoon rice flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, and 2 tablespoon water. Blend until smooth. Kurkure style snacks were first inspired by puff rice and chickpea blends in India. The word kurkure literally means crispy in Hindi. You can make endless versions, spicy, cheesy or tangy. Now pour the mixture into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup gram flour and mix well. Now transfer the dough into a plastic bag. And cut a small hole at the corner. Pipe out into hot oil and fry on medium heat until golden and crispy. Fry on medium heat to get perfect crunch without burning. Made with real rice, no preservatives or artificial colors. Gram flour adds protein and fiber. You can air fry for a lighter version. Finally, sprinkle half teaspoon chili powder and half teaspoon chaat masala. Toss well and your crunchy rice kurkure are ready to enjoy. So here's your easy crunchy rice kurkure, crispy outside, soft inside. Would you like to try a spicy version or a cheesy one next? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more creative snack ideas.